Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator of an Honda Insight 2011 model. And after changing the oil or servicing the car, you have to reset the that instrument cluster to be able to get the indicator on the normal mode again. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as you all know, I'm gonna do it twice, and the second time it's gonna be more quick than the first time, so you don't have to look the video back to know how to do it. Okay, let's start with this one. It's a 2011 Honda Insight. First of all, turn the ignition off. Once the ignition is turned off, there are two buttons over here. I'll light it up. That's the select and reset button. You have to press this button and keep pressing that while turning the ignition on. So ignition turned on, and wait for an indicator to appear on the instrument cluster over here in the middle. Yes, like this. The CVT, I reset it before. Once you have done this, you have to scroll with the arrow button to over here, and once you have done that, to reset, and press the select or reset button once. Once you do that, the indicator over there disappears. So once again, ignition off, press the select or reset button, keep pressing that, wait for it, wait for the indicator, like this. Once this is here, use the arrow button to go to the reset indicator and press the reset or the select button once. Once you have done that, the indicator over here must have been disappeared. I hope this worked for you. Hope to see you next time with another video on another day. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.